This is my ThinkPad Z61T in pretty good condition. Check this out, Windows 7 Centrino Duo. I need more power. Look at that shine. I probably could use a wax job.
Ubuntu, based off of Debian Stable. I needed a 32-bit based Linux system. Not too many out there, but thank you, Ubuntu. So for this here, I chose the LXQT environment. When you log in, you have a choice of XFCE or LXQT. LXQT is lighter, so I figure I go with this ThinkPad, which had Windows 7 and a Centrino. It's definitely old, but it still works. ThinkPads are great for Linux. Anyway, this lightweight system is loaded with software, maybe a little bit too much, but you can always go back in and delete. Jitsi Meet is installed in this for video conferencing. Of course, the LibreOffice suite, sound and video, tons. Pulse Audio, Volume Control I use, Audacity I use, Clementine I use, of course Kden Live I use. Yeah, let's see here. VLC, of course, I use. Vocal Screen recorder was installed by default, so that's nice. I was able to record all this. Thank you, Ubuntu System Tools. There's lots going on here. Again, I will never use all of these pieces of software. Looking at the HTOP usage here, resources, RAM, you can't really tell. I need to change the fonts on this. It's about 650, somewhere around there, of RAM usage. Not bad for all this, running the screen recorder. Clicking the start button there again at the top left, the universal access wine. I never use, well, except the red wine, but I never use wine for Linux. Preferences, again, lots of software here. I noticed the package for HP printers, Flatpak Manager is installed. The Synaptic Package Manager, my favorite package manager for Linux because, well, it's stable. It just works. It's never let me down, unless I made a mistake, of course. But yeah, check out Synaptic, very solid package manager. All right, so back to preferences. Once again, lots of software here. If I was to talk about every single piece of software, it would be here all day. LXQT settings and appearance and all that. Yeah, the only thing I did here, I prefer the panel at the top. I prefer to turn on the Cairo dock. Of course, you can customize this any way that you want to. We have the shortcuts here to the right, such as the screen recorder and removable devices and all that good stuff. The audio mixer and yeah, time and date, the usual stuff there at the top. The terrific Cairo dock at the bottom. What a slick, nice looking dock. I don't use docks that much, but this, trust me, this is slick, super nice looking, super easy to use. Check out the Cairo dock. About the only problem I had, or the only bug, and maybe it's not a bug, the super key on this does not work. You know, you tap super key and the menu pops up. The super key is non-functional. It's probably not a bug. I'm probably missing something. For those of you who use mainly Debian versus anything else, maybe you guys could help me out because I don't know how to turn on the super key, hotkey for the menu in this. Other than that, Ubuntu. Definitely check it out if you need a 32-bit system. Again, you can go into the LXQT or XFCE environment at login. It's your choice. This is lightweight, fast. It resurrected my ancient 32-bit ThinkPad. Check it out. Ubuntu.